With being a farmer's market vendor, an important aspect of selling your product is product placement and product display. We're going to show you a couple examples of good displays and how that helps with your sales. And then from there, our next video, we're going to be showing you guys how signage coincides with that. So right here we have microgreens. We know on their booth by their display up front what they have. They have beautiful product, it's well placed, it's well displayed, so people know what they're going to be purchasing when they come to this booth. So here we have another example of a great product display. With these mushrooms, all their products are displayed up front on the table, so you can visually see what they're selling without having to guess what they're offering to the public. So as you can see, having good product placement and display is very important to being successful at the farmer's market with your sales. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at anchoredmarketventures.com. We'd be more than happy to help you out, answer any questions that you have, and get you started on a successful path at farmers markets. Y'all have a great one.